Hello everyone and welcome to my channel We Learn Languages. Okay, today we are learning Khmer language number 2 about how are you. So how are you in Khmer language? How do we say? Okay, so in order to know it, so we can go through it right now. Let's go. Khmer number 2. How are you? សុខសប្បាយ 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 Well, fine. ដូចគ្នា 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 Same. អរគុណ 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 Thanks. ជួបគ្នា 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 Meet together. ពេលក្រោយ 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 Next time. ច្រើន 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 Much, many. Conversation. តើបងសុខសប្បាយជាទេតើបងសុខសប្បាយជាទេតើបងសុខសប្បាយជាទេ How are you? The word តើ and the word ទេ are the question word. So the word តើ we always put at the beginning of the question, and the word ទេ we put at the end of the question. បាទខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយចុះអូនវិញបាទខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយចុះអូនវិញបាទខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយចុះអូនវិញ Yes, I'm well. And you? បាទ Yes ខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយ I'm well. ចុះអូនវិញ And you? ដូចគ្នាខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយដូចគ្នាខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយដូចគ្នាខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយ The same. I'm fine. ដូចគ្នា The same. ខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយ I'm fine. អរគុណបងអរគុណបងអរគុណបង Thank you. អរគុណបង Thank you. អរគុណច្រើនជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយអរគុណច្រើនជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយអរគុណច្រើនជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ Thanks very much. See you next time. អរគុណ Thanks ច្រើន very much ជួបគ្នា See you ពេលក្រោយ Next time បាទជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយបាទជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយបាទជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ Yes, see you next time. បាទ Yes ជួបគ្នា See you ពេលក្រោយ Next time. Okay, everyone. Here's the note. So the word សុខសប្បាយ it means in English is be well or be fine. But the word សប្បាយ it mean in English happy. Okay, so the first one is សុខសប្បាយ and the second is សប្បាយ okay, so don't confuse of the two words here សុខសប្បាយ and សប្បាយ so look example ខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយ ខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយ it mean I am well. Okay, I am well, I am fine. So សុខសប្បាយ it mean be well or be fine. Another example ពិធីជប់លៀងយប់មិញសប្បាយណាស់ ពិធីជប់លៀងយប់មិញសប្បាយណាស់ The party last night was very happy. Okay, as you can see សប្បាយ okay, សប្បាយ is mean happy, right? ពិធីជប់លៀង it mean the party. យប់មិញ last night. សប្បាយ is happy. Nah, it's very. Okay, so សុខសប្បាយ is mean be well or be fine, but the word សប្បាយ it mean happy. Okay, my today lesson come to the end now. So I would like to say thank for all of you to view my video lesson today. Okay, one more thing, if you have any comment related to my Khmer language lesson, so please leave a comment below. And one more thing, please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can learn more and more lesson. Thanks in advance. Bye bye, see you next lesson.